What are you doing? Can the baby have kisses? Can she? Aw, kisses. Aw, kisses. You're such a sweet baby. Can baby have high five? Give baby high fives. Oh, kisses. Lots of kisses. Oh, baby. Give baby kisses. Yep, now tell the baby bye-byes. Say bye-bye, baby. Say bye-bye, it's time to go home. Give baby a kiss, it's time to go home. Oh, you don't want to go home. Elizabeth, give baby kisses. Oh, kiss Mama's hand. Okay, let's go bye-bye.